if you have listened to me since I began this conversation, you know that I'm a pan-Nigerian. Etom na Lagos. I have friends who are from Hausa, from Yoruba, from Ishan, different places. So I cannot think like the traditional Igbo person who has not crossed River Niger before. Are you getting the point? Good. So, to that extent, I subscribe to those pan-Nigerian outlook. Even as of today, we've not even decided what we want as Ndi Igbo. I chose Biafra, I chose Igbo president. You can't look for the two now. Each working out both here, Banahagi. And we can the two say Banahagi. So we must invest our energy in the direction we want. Look at all the time in the Nigerian politics, we have always coalesced with the North. There's always been a coalition. Go and read the history. When Zik led NCNC, a coalition with the MPC. That was when Mwaforis and all that. Edwin Umezuoke became the speaker. Ekweme became the vice president.
Right.
So for us to get our act right, we must go back to the drawing board. As Ndi Igbo, Joanwani Kivaicho. Hey, people are now afraid to air their opinion or to air their mind. So when somebody comes to me and tells me, I say, well, how? If that person is somebody who has been indoctrinated, maybe out of uninformed hate,
bandwagonism.
That's why some of them may engage you to Hana. But basis for their anger. So my call today is, let's go back and read that letter again with a much more clearer mind. Now let's read before Abakwadi coalition ana. Imagokwa hope za dema boyesina. Na wake na chukuna nye yanaka. Na mara natali kuyo. Working outside yet. Obajiaka kaka wote de ten. Oboke to kan yanwa jijijimma. Isini yanati ya de ten.
APGA National Publicity Secretary.
Yeah.
Can I come back up Apoga before I mention this is our final bus stop and everything. Apoga, is it a regional or a national party to start with?
Apoga is a national party.
It's a national party.
I'm never National Publicity Secretary.
Because national party slogan ya bụ Igbo nke a bụ nke anyị abi
enwe be your brothers and sisters keeper.
Okay, be your brother. Okay,
yes, agent ndị Hausa ha kwuo ya. I mean the NWC.
Okay.
So ekwuo kukuruku ndị Hausa ndị ma ya ekwuo ya na Hausa. Anyị nwe kwuo cheo ndị Yoruba ekwuo nkeba. But me better mean of ye. So na Abga took root from here. Doesn't mean no the regional party or no also Ndi Igbo nwe. As we speak today, the chief whip of the Bayelsa Self Assembly is an Abga candidate. An Abga or no Abga. La Bayelsa.
OGM Apoga will make the election.
Exactly.
Oh.
We have a Federal House of Assembly member from Taraba State.
Oh.
So, overall, this thing, Abga, bro, yes, may have taken root from this side or started from this side, but it has. Tell me which party. Tell me which party in Nigeria that doesn't have that same origin. Even the APC and the Kukuyanabo, a mixture, an amalgam of CPC and ACN.
ACN.
ACN party in the Yoruba. That was CPC party in Ndi Igbo.
Which was AD at the time, right?
ACN, which was from AD to AC to ACN. Yes. So, Abga as a party is rapidly evolving, and we have a very young and vibrant leader, national chairman, Barisaslaye Ezeokenwa, who is redefining the fortunes of the party. As of today in Abga, there's a lot that we have done that most parties have not done. In Abga today, if you want to be a member of Abga, you have to just go online. We have an alumni registration platform. We have flagged it off since June 1 last year. So people register to be Abga members online. That's innovative. No party in Nigeria is doing that today. But the only party in Nigeria that has a national headquarters in Abuja, that is our own. Even APC, has a rented apartment. PDP, or one. I can't go kuchen kebari like this. So we're the only. So you know, come party the national. I work at regional office. If we are about 5 story building now, okay, ba. Yellow. So it tells you what would happen. Maabga chair Nigeria.
Apoga chair Nigeria.
Oh yeah, mekwa.
Can you now support for president?
Support which president?
The next election.
Can answer can tigo date.
But 2020.
But date and join me and the date. You can go to support November 8. Okay, ya jum ke tigo date.
Mba makana I know Tinubu bial Anambra State. And was almost. I say na progressives are now working together.
Yes, now.
And everything.
Oh, we hem go back it.
Okay.
Asenge. Na governor of Imo State who put them after winning na Supreme Court. On name most stakeholders name engage. So ga can kuna make here and go back to Supreme Court for interpretation. And I call nanka no ya happen. I say ha na wake na chukuna nyere ya naka. Na mata Natalia o. Na mata Natalia nka chukuna nyere ya naka. So na hasage na nwoke a kita na achi bonyi si obodo. Mụ na gị ma ụdị mgba agbalụ to ensure na obera. December 2022 or 2023. Abi, December 2022. Ka bịa kuchie change ego. Konye chena na-achụ. Gasị gị na ka ego wee gbaskas. Naira dịka $. A na-achọ ego achọ. Megide mmiri akụ asị gị na nke a enwe nke a na-eje nkụ. Nwoke cross the hurdle wee pụta kịta wee melie obodo onye isi ala wee bịa si na ya nakọta ụta anụlụ ụta ewepụ ya ọ fịakwara arụ mana mmadụ abụrụ Chukwu mana nke ọzọ bụ na APGA nwere an unwritten convention something that makes the party always align with the party at the center. When Peter Obi was governor,
yes,
he aligned with the center PDP under Jonathan.
I want to make healthy living a culture in our society. The turn of to make exercise, get sweat. That sweat is very important. Ibana garden give bela kokon very natural food. Or if your body need it, just new abona day to chukusike.
As a matter of fact, then he was a member of the economic team of Jonathan. And that 2015, I supported Jonathan. What I mean?
Yes.
So we've already had that policy of aligning with the party at the center. And even as a member of the NWC, that has not changed though. I don't know about some, but I am a messiah. Until I put in a change here. So with young Waketa now, the Digibasm Onyana support. You can't imagine me.
I get.
But election taker. HD me. So when we say progressives are working together, we are progressives, and mind you, we are the foremost progressive party. We are the All Progressives Grand Alliance, formed 22 years ago. APC came 12 years after we have been formed. So now, All Progressives Grand Alliance, progressives. All Progressives Congress, progressives. Remove Congress, remove Grand Alliance, all progressives.
All progressives.
So even though they are the largest, but we are the foremost. You get it? So it means that there are some ideological ways we agree. So if that ideological connection exists, then of course, as we make so if there is that point of alliance, of course we'll work together. But for now, progressives are working together. And like the governor said, when it comes to Anambra State, I am Chama, who is the leader of the progressives. So it's a rival. So that's it.
Unumele election, local government, by unu pia mayor. Then unu win 21 local government. Ufodo na se no ndel ditina ide because omini na enwezi any other party in Anambra State that of upgodi one away no, and the enwaga say some kind of activities they call mass some local government and what I say balance national and everything, and then it did not play in the key role of the result. Apoga appeared 21/21. How is that possible?
Ajgonge baketa. Say we're going to for your local government chairman Nanjiko Kabonye APC. We're going to your ward chairman and na ward again aba.
Are you saying that they are non-existent?
My brother, when it comes to Anambra, Abga is a religion. One of family Anambra today, Ofonye Bonye is Bonye Abga. Nya Abga, nya Abga Nisi. Yesi ka Kubo to the Kubo. The people are sentimentally attached to the party. Every other party, they know about this. Anambra is hook, line, and sinker. Abga. In whole and in total. So, why are you surprised that we won 2021 or is it here? In 2017, we won the governorship election. 2021, across 21 local governments. Only the party win one.
Governorship?
Yes. In 2021, we won 19/2021. So, I don't know that everybody, it tells you the overwhelming support and overwhelming presence. Abga Weleba. Before we Abga, yeah, better to Ndi Abga, you go to Ndi Igbo because if we go to Ndi faction, or Abga na faction. As Safi election, and I be quite to be voting na to Abga vote. So look at the Ibeketa now. Yeah, for even about word again. As I vote, if one maybe na polling unity. If one anywhere any tag APC, I go vote, but for APC one vote. And I just even have APC agent. On vote to pro on you know, so we are not missing what we said that Anambra is Abga is Anambra. It's a religion here. There's nowhere, and when any family in Anambra today, they want one Abga member, if not Abga members. So why are you surprised? Why is the name is ballot snatching? I will tell you proof. Keba snatch a ballot one.
All the video better kwa online.
I want a video better online.
Old video. Yeah,
my neighbor with you. All the college with the one thing, within a Fulani Flamenca and Ndi Igbo. A check up on praise you. So people, most often, I'll tell you when it has to do with our online, trust but verify.
You have to be careful.
Yeah, trust but verify. You have an effort. Every just that's about the wrong one. Let me verify. Thank God, there will some apps, some tools online that you can use to, to fact check some information.
APC but the president, and then a Guba. Candidate from APC. That they will take us to the federal. And in a audit to logical. Makana Onyan Niabo Abraham. I can show you the way to heaven. What do you have to say about that? Because Anambra needs to go to the federal as well.
My brother, when you couldn't know Niabo Abraham. Okay. At police mail.
Mano, Abraham Motalish.
So, Abraham. Case I get about Isaac.
In a Kawana Tinibo Bolo Abraham.
Maronia.
APC candidate.
Maroya.
No, Ishmael.
Maroya. If I dish milk, I am mad. Iabo, Unwa, Odubo, Abraham Tubalo. Are
you saying that the Guba candidate of APC is an illegitimate child?
Very illegitimate. Very illegitimate. Yeah, do you go about APC? Since all about APC about go Just do again. Can the APC akwale?
Also na on Apoka Dolunde people. Also na Odu people from Apoka by APC that Apoka is shaking.
When they do on the Almajiri let's say Abuja bundi do apagale.
Alamajiri?
Yeah, so let's say Abuja.
Okay.
Yeah, they ba na in Abuja.
Okay.
So bro, they all go business ever fail. Or one factory and all over. One can say that work eba or aloba.
Allegedly, he's the highest employer of labor in South
According
to him on the interview.
It's allegedly, my brother. Apu yeah, bo if follow Ndi Abunde Ndo Safia.
Okay.
Ambanda Abundo Safia. abroad the abroad
Obia ka obo so afia governorship election.
Ko maka ya bụ inye publicity. Oya bụ ebe lo so afia it draw serious. Iya ajụbege ma onye isi ana ma afia. O mara afia. Moro do onye obo. Iyo remebo ya be obo internet eme apụta sị na tribu si agwa get me Anambra. Si agụ si anyị video ebe ku ya get me Anambra.
Omi ko bụ na ha chefu ip record.
Record again.
Mbo na ekwu
ya bụ blue film ko na ya.
Good news. From anywhere you are in the world, you can now be our guest on BAM. As long as you have an internet connection and a mobile device, you can now be interviewed from our studio anywhere in the world. Contact the numbers on your screen to book a session with us.